Good morning, y'all, and welcome to day number 5 of our Bluebird Bus Conversion project. As I said in my last video, I cheated a little bit last night. I ran out of battery power in my camera, and I didn't realize it until it was too late. But by that point, the sun had started to go down, and I just said to hell with it, and I just kept going. So there's a couple things that I did that you won't get to see me do. I went inside the bus. The HVAC guy came yesterday and pulled out the AC units for me. And after I got those leftover walls taken down, I went ahead and pulled out all the excess electricity. So I pulled out the wires that were on the roof for the lights. I pulled out the wires that ran to all the emergency exit doors, and pulled out the wires for those blinking bus lights that are actually illegal to drive with. And let's see, is there anything else? Oh, and then I wrapped all the wires that I will continue to use, that I need, like the brake lights, blinkers, and whatnot. I kept those and wrapped them in a neat confined space, kind of hid them up in the bus roof, and I am ready to start floor prep. And so what that means today, I'm actually going to go inside. It's a little chilly out here. Didn't really realize it until I started recording. But I'm going to go inside and change into some a long sleeve shirt and some jeans. And I'm going to get inside the bus today, and I'm actually going to be sanding down all those rust spots. After I sand down the rust spots, I'm going to clean everything up. I'm going to use Ospho Rust Converter to treat the rust spots on the floor. So it should be a pretty good day. I don't know how long it's going to take me, but I'm sure I'm going to be super filthy by the time you see me again. So with that, I'm going to get to it. Hope you enjoy the video today, and I'll talk to you soon. All right, peace. So after pulling up all the subfloor, we had all of these like really surface rust areas. I took the angle grinder, as you'll see in the video, and I grinded all the rust spots down to where I had a little bit of shiny metal. And tomorrow I'm going to coat it with Ospho Rust Converter, and it's going to make this metal black. It's like a chemical reaction. It turns it from rust into something else, into like a different chemical that doesn't erode constantly. So it's a pretty cool process, but that's what we're gonna be doing. Then that's gonna have to dry for 24 hours, and after that I'm gonna paint the floor and seal the floor. All these little holes that are still here. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1 billion holes everywhere. That's gonna be fun. So stay tuned. We'll see what goes on next. We got the painting of the floor. We got sealing of all the holes in the floor. We got a rooftop deck coming. We have solar panels and solar power coming, and we got everything getting ready to be awesome. So until next time, this is Nathan. This is our Bluebird bus. And we'll see you on day number 6. That's it. Peace.